Ever find yourself chasing down payments after a long day of hard work? It's a frustrating reality for many service professionals, isn't it? You pour your energy into delivering top-notch service, and then the administrative burden of getting paid looms large. Checks get lost in the mail, customers forget, and suddenly your cash flow is more of a trickle than a steady stream. That's where Housecall Pro steps in to change the game. We understand that getting paid efficiently and on time is crucial for the success and growth of your business. It's not just about the money. It's about the peace of mind that comes with knowing your hard work is being rewarded promptly. It's about freeing up your time so you can focus on what you do best, providing excellent service to your customers. Think about it. How much time do you or your office staff currently spend on invoicing, sending reminders, and following up on overdue payments? Those are valuable hours that could be spent on securing new leads, scheduling more jobs, or even just taking a well-deserved break. Housecall Pro is designed to streamline this entire process, transforming payment collection from a headache into a seamless part of your workflow. So, how exactly does Housecall Pro handle payments? Let's dive into the features that empower you to get paid faster and more efficiently. First and foremost, Housecall Pro offers digital invoicing. Gone are the days of manually creating paper invoices, printing them, stuffing envelopes, and hoping they reach your customers. With Housecall Pro, you can generate professional-looking invoices directly from your mobile device or desktop, often while you're still on the job site. This immediacy is a game-changer. Customers receive the invoice electronically, making it easy for them to review the charges and initiate payment quickly. But it doesn't stop there. Housecall Pro integrates seamlessly with online payment options. You can offer your customers the convenience of paying with credit or debit cards directly through the invoice. This eliminates the need for them to write checks or handle cash, which can be inconvenient for both parties. The platform supports major credit and debit cards, ensuring a smooth and familiar payment experience for your clients. To further expedite the payment process, Housecall Pro offers automated payment reminders. Let's be honest, customers are busy, and sometimes payments slip their minds. Instead of you having to manually track down outstanding invoices and send reminders, Housecall Pro can do this automatically. You can customize the timing and frequency of these reminders, ensuring gentle nudges that encourage prompt payment without straining your customer relationships. For recurring services or larger projects, Housecall Pro also facilitates deposit requests and progress billing. This allows you to secure upfront payments or bill in stages as work is completed, improving your cash flow and reducing the risk of non-payment after significant work has been done. This feature provides financial security and ensures you're compensated fairly throughout the duration of a project. Another powerful feature is mobile payment processing. Imagine finishing a job and being able to collect payment right then and there using your mobile device. Housecall Pro enables this through secure card readers that integrate directly with the app. This eliminates the wait for checks in the mail and reduces the likelihood of forgotten payments. It's convenient for both you and your customer, leading to faster payment cycles. Furthermore, Housecall Pro offers integration with popular accounting software like QuickBooks Online. This seamless connection ensures that your payment data is automatically synced with your accounting records, eliminating the need for manual data entry and reducing the risk of errors. This integration streamlines your bookkeeping and provides a clear overview of your financial health. Security is paramount when it comes to handling payments, and Housecall Pro takes this very seriously. The platform utilizes robust security measures to protect sensitive payment information, ensuring compliance with industry standards. You and your customers can have peace of mind knowing that transactions are secure and protected. Beyond these core features, Housecall Pro provides valuable insights into your payment performance through reporting and analytics. You can track your outstanding invoices, identify slow-paying customers, and gain a clear understanding of your cash flow. This data empowers you to make informed decisions about your payment policies and proactively address any potential issues. Think about the cumulative impact of these features. Faster invoicing, convenient online payment options, automated reminders, mobile payment processing, and seamless accounting integration. It all adds up to a significant reduction in the time and effort you spend on getting paid. This translates directly into improved cash flow, reduced administrative burden, and more time to focus on growing your business. Housecall Pro isn't just a payment processing tool. It's a comprehensive platform designed to streamline your entire service business, with efficient payment handling being a key component. It empowers you to take control of your finances, improve your customer experience, and ultimately, run a more profitable and sustainable business. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.